Hi guys, Richard of RGK Detailing. Behind me is a stunning new Audi RSQ3, which has just undergone a new car protection detail. So let's have a closer look. So this RSQ3, which is in the stunning colour Navarra Blue, this belongs to a returning client. This is the fourth car that he's brought to me to have detailed. This car is brand new, fresh out of the wrapper, and he just wanted it to look its absolute best and be well protected so he could keep it looking nice himself. So this has been lightly polished to bring the depth and clarity of the finish up to its best. There wasn't too many scratches, just the odd light scratch here and there, which is normal for a new car. So that's been taken care of. All the paintwork has been coated with the GYEON Infinite ceramic coating, which goes on in two layers. So you've got a hard base layer and a very slick top layer. So that will give the car a good few years of easy maintenance. It'll keep the paint looking nice and glossy and help keep the car looking cleaner between washes as well. The wheels have been removed. They've been fully ceramic coated, including the brake calipers. All of the trim has been coated, and also all of the exterior glass. So if you would like to have your own car detailed to a high standard and well protected, or you've got a new car on its way, or you've just taken delivery of a new car and you want it to look its best and be well protected, easy to maintain, then please do get in touch with me. Give me a call or drop me a message and I'll talk through the options with you. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.